Hey everyone, Mike Burke here with Inside Real Estate Photography, and in this video we're going to discuss delivering images to your clients. So years ago I used to send a Dropbox link along with an invoice to my clients in order for them to download their images and hopefully pay their invoice in a timely manner. But what I found out the hard way is that some clients would not pay and I'd be chasing invoices for months, and this is a huge waste of my time and resources. I'm a photographer, not a debt collector. So I really needed to find out a way for my clients to pay in order to get their download link for their images. And that's when I found out about PixieSet. PixieSet has beautiful photo galleries and user interface, and is a much nicer way to present your photos to your clients as opposed to just sending a Dropbox link in an email. And the best part is, you don't have to, but you can make them pay first in order for them to download their photos, which saves you a ton of aggravation, and believe me when I say, a lot of stress off your shoulders. I know some photographers out there will disagree with this philosophy, but it's been a real godsend to me and my business, and I love it, and my clients love it. I get compliments on my photo delivery quite often. And please, if any of you guys out there have a different way of delivering photos to your clients that you really love, please share it with the group in the comments below. Alright, let's take a quick look at PixieSet and how I deliver my photos. Alright guys, so here we are at the PixieSet website, and I'll just show you the process of just how I upload and send the photos to my clients. Pretty straightforward, but I just want to show this to you so you have an idea of how this works. So I'm going to open my dashboard, and then first thing we're going to do is go to Client Gallery, and here we have, a bunch of houses that I shot, and we'll just go to New Collection, and we'll type in an address here, 123 Main Street, we'll just call it for the sake of this tutorial. And I always add a watermark to my photos, which is really important, because if you don't, then if you have a shady client, maybe they can just screenshot all your images and upload them to MLS without paying you. So this again is a way to protect yourself from not getting payment. So I use this watermark too, and you can upload watermarks and things in settings here. So you have your logo, and you can really customize this. So, and here's a watermark, you can upload your watermark, and you can really customize this. When it's delivered to your client, it looks like it comes from your own website. You can change actually the domain that it comes from too, and get a custom domain so that it looks like it comes from your website. It removes kind of the PixieSet branding, so it looks like something you created. It's all great stuff here. Let's go back to the client gallery here. So we created our 123 Main Street gallery here. I'm just going to click on that, and we'll go to add photos. So I have this example folder here, and I'm just going to drag these in the box here and upload these to the gallery. All right guys, so the images have finished uploading. I'm just going to go to manage collection here. You'll see they all come up in here. All right, so the first thing I would do would be to change the cover photo, because usually it just picks one at random, and I usually don't like the one it picks. I would just go to change cover and go back to my folder, just pick one that I like. That's the one they picked. That's a better photo in my opinion, better angle. It's a drone shot. That'll do. Let's use that, and I'll just drop it in this box and upload it. All right, so now our new cover photo is uploaded. I like the way that looks. And also in here, you can change the design on how this looks with the text and how it's oriented and all this stuff in here. You can play around with this and find a look that you like. I have my look here, and I just stick with that, so I have consistent look when I deliver photos. After I get my cover photo situated, really all I do here is I just go through here, download. We're gonna shut this off because we're not allowing them to download images without paying in any way, shape, or form. If someone did prepay, you can send this with on, and then you could have a pin or no pin or whatever if you just want to be able to let them download it for free. That's my jam though. That's what I love most about this whole thing. So I shut that off. And favoriting, I shut that off. There's no reason to have that on. And then the last step here is store. We have this on, and this is how make them pay here before getting their images. So you would create price sheets. Like I have a whole different price sheets, all different prices here of stuff. So I'll show you how to create one really quick and set it up. So they have to pay first in order to download their images. So you would just go to set up your price sheets here. You click on that. That takes you to the price sheets page, and then you would just hit add price sheet. And I just put in certain amounts for the different services that I have and how much I charge for those services. But just say for the sake of this video, you wanted to charge, I don't know, $225 for your photos. And down here, you want to go to self-fulfillment. We're not using HOLAB, we're not doing prints or anything. Add commonly sold products, no, we don't need that, so we're going to uncheck that. And we'll go to create. I've already used $225, so I'll just do $235. Create. All right, so now we have one named $235, and we want to add a product to this price sheet. So we're going to do digital download because we're selling a digital download of our photos. So we want to click all photos because we want them to be able to get the whole gallery. I set this on to high resolution, 3600 pixels. You could choose one of these other ones. I find this works nicely. It's low enough megabytes so that they don't have any problems uploading it to MLS or anything like that. And then here you want to put the price. So again, $235 if that's what we're charging for this. So now we have this set and we'll hit save. So that's done. So now if we go back to our gallery, go back to settings and back to store, now we'll find $235 here in our price sheets. So I'll select that because that's what we want to charge for this gallery. I'll show you the preview of what this looks like. Your client opens the link, this is what they're going to see. It's really nice looking. They can hit the open button, you know, your logo's here, and you'll see my watermark on all the photos. So if they click on one, they can't just do a screenshot here of the image and steal your image because it has a watermark on it, so you're protecting yourself there. And so they have to click on this cart, and you'll see all photos, high resolution, $235. They check out, and then the link is sent afterwards. So they have to buy the photos first in order to get them. So that's exactly what we want. This is how it will look. You know, how good does this look? This is beautifully, you know, designed, and I really love the look of this. Like I said, clients always compliment me on how this looks. They think this looks really professional and they love it. So the last thing we want to do is publish. And yes, we're ready to publish this collection. We have it all set. We have our cover photo set. We like the way it looks, and we have the right price sheet on it. So we'll hit publish now. You would put your client's email address in here. I'll put my own in here. And then I made an email template for real estate clients. It just says congratulations on your new listing and instructions on how to pay and download your images. It gives you a preview over here on how the email will look. You know, this is great. You have the photo in here, your logo, and this is really just nice design here. Great branding here, great look, professional look. Makes you look good to your clients, and then you would just hit send invite. All right, here's the email in my inbox just to show you how it would look for your client to receive it. You know, it looks clean, it looks nice, it looks professional. I have very little problems with it, and my clients love it. All right guys, so that's how I use PixieSet to deliver images to my clients. It looks beautiful and is a powerful tool because it enables you to make your clients pay in order to get their images. Now PixieSet just allows you to deliver the images. It doesn't do anything beyond that, like hosting a property website or a virtual tour or anything of that nature. So if you're looking for something beyond that, you would have to use a different service like HD Photo Hub or something like that. But for me personally, 95% of my customers are really just looking for a link to download their photos. And I love the way PixieSet looks. It's beautifully designed and it's simple, and I love it. All right guys, so that's it for this video. Thanks so much for joining me. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, enable the notifications, and please share your ideas in the comments below. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next one.